how to turn on or turn off customize smart things on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down. Then in here, tap on General Management. After that, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. And then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Smart Things. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.